Morning! We're doing another cook with me. But today we're making brunch, so I'm making lots of different things in this cook with me. Plan is, we've got, in last week's video, I don't know if I'm gonna have posted it, I made egg muffins, which is what I'm making for everyone now, but I'm making 3 different flavours. Also, we were talking about them Poly bodysuits, which are just the best bodysuits. I'm wearing one now, this is the blue one. Anyway, Brenny's timer's going. Brenny is currently making sweet corn fritters that we're gonna have, because I can't make that. 3 flavours of egg muffins. We are having the one that I made the other day, which is bacon, chorizo, onion and spinach. It was lovely. And then I'm making a mushroom, kale and bacon one. And then I'm making a sun-dried tomato, fresh tomato and chorizo one. I'm gonna make some granola to go on top of the yogurt, also to go on top of everyone's yogurt. If you don't know, we always have Sunday brunch basically. Every weekend we have a Sunday brunch and I'm making this one. Okay, also to go on top of the yogurt, I'm going to caramelize some pears with some cinnamon and cardamom and have that with some figs, raspberries and like chopped almonds. Then I'm making blueberry muffins. Now that I've done the intro, let me just go put the yogurts in the fridge. And then we can start chopping up things for our egg muffins. Guys, yesterday finished Daisy Jones and the Six. Wow, was I a fucking state. I was bawling my eyes out. The whole last 2 episodes, I cried the entire thing. Every single scene, bar like 2 scenes, I was crying. I just couldn't keep it together, it was just too much. Too emotions. What else did I watch recently? Guys, I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys in ages. Watched The Last of Us as well. I enjoyed it. Mum didn't like it, did you?
No, it played too much like a game for me. I was like, okay.
She thought it was too predictable, but yeah. I disagree. It was a great show. I really did enjoy it.
I watched Pearl last night. You didn't want to watch it.
No, I was too tired for that, and I was so emotionally drained from watching Daisy Jones and the Six. Like, I was so tired afterwards. So when I tell you, I was like bawling my eyes out. It probably wasn't even that sad looking back on it. No, it was sad. I don't know what I want my Sunday film to be. I like watching a film of a Sunday. Guys, you know what I haven't done recently is reading e-books. The last book I read, basically, do you just have a bit of a rut and you like, so I started to read Throttled by Lauren Asher. Really didn't like it. I got like 2/3 of the way through and then I was just like, why would I carry on reading this when I don't like it? Like, I genuinely thought it was shit. So then I stopped reading that and then I was like, cool, let me read Twisted Games. That's a pile of dog shit too. Like, it was just awful. So I couldn't read that. And then I started to try to read, if you remember in the vlog when I was at Abby's, I got her that book that she had already read. What the fuck is it called? Everything I Know About Love? I think that's what it's called. Started to read that, but I just really couldn't get into it. And then I just kind of stopped reading. This always happens. I just need to find a good book that I can get into.
What about the one I bought you for Christmas?
Oh gosh, I've already spoken to them about that in one of my videos. That book was just, that was shocking. I shan't read. But I've got, so this is the issue. I love buying books and I love looking for books, but
you love the experience.
Get me in a bookshop, honestly, like, it's just, it's heaven on earth.
Have you ever been to a bookshop where you can just sit down with a book and just have a
No, that's kind of scary as well.
That is that scary.
That's just kind of scary, like, I don't know if I could do that. What I really need is for, what the fuck is the author's name? My girl who writes Magnolia Parks, why have I forgotten her name? Jessa Hastings. I need Jessa Hastings to bring out another book and it will be another Magnolia Parks one. I mean, personally I'm a Daisy Hates girl, but anyway. I really was in love with those books. Loved them so much. So we're gonna peel off the skin. We don't want the skin. We're gonna cut them into circles and then cut them into quarters.
Who's that from downstairs? Quick guess.
You know, by the way she's walking.
Not her esophagus. With the one hairy leg.
Stop, because they can't see that. Stop. When we was waxing in 2 weeks ago, I don't fucking remember when the video was, but when I waxed,
why is she out here?
I ran. It's hot. Look
at me and Isla.
I want it to look nice. It's not even cold. They're being dramatic and I got a knife.
My mum, Jesus, you're pushing me.
Look at your bed.
I'm gonna have.
It's warm in here. I'm not cold.
It is quite warm.
Oh,
No, stop, please. Everyone keeps touching me and it's putting me on edge. Oh, we were talking about films originally, weren't we, guys? Yeah, I don't know what film I want to watch today. I could probably. Oh, we watched the other day. Mum, what was that film? The one with Frank in it.
It is called. Oh Christ, I can't remember.
I thought you loved this film so much.
Yeah, I know.
I remember it.
Grace Kelly was in there.
Yeah. That happens. Sometimes, like, you just want to...
It was shit.
It was basically more of the story. I will find out what the film was fucking called and I'll put a poster here.
Who got all that
And
food?
me.
Fucking cunt.
Excuse your language, I didn't just buy it for myself. So now don't be disrespectful and going on like that. That girl's got no
It's
manners.
high society.
High society. Yeah, put it back in the freezer. Guys, what a piece of shit film, bruh. It was cute vibes at the start. Then the plot turned west out of nowhere.
So odd, like it got odd when spoiler alert, but when Frank and Grace Kelly just out of the blue, he was in love with her. When he barely chatted to the girl.
And then at the end, he wanted the secretary.
So he's still in love with his ex.
No, Frank.
Oh, sorry. No, she was in love with him.
From where? No, and he was saying like, no, you're chatting shite.
I'm not chatting shite.
And he was going like, oh, basically let me sleep with you, essentially is what he was saying. It was crazy. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.
Odd.
No, because when Grace Kelly asked her the question, like when she kind of, you know, she was doing the whole bit, when she came in, and she said, oh, you two together. And the photographer
What?
That
That makes it that she wants him. She's having general fucking conversation, trying to make it awkward for them two.
general chit chat, innit?
That was so fucking left. I'm so sorry.
So left, come out of nowhere.
Is that your only issue with the film?
It was just so random.
Plot made no sense.
Fuck did that
Plot made no sense.
After that, it was on a whim. To be
That was
honest.
at the end.
No,
And
it was
then
like
she
midway through. Yeah, exactly. It was at the end. I was like,
She was lipsing up Frank in the pool and all this, and then the next day she was getting married to her ex-fella. It was mad. Come out of nowhere. It didn't even make sense. I will back it if it made sense. It made no sense. Right, on the back burner we've got onions going. I've cooked off the chorizo and I've fried the bacon. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of Mediterranean olive oil spread and just cook my mushrooms a little bit. Keep an eye on your onions, don't you forget. I'm gonna say these onions are done. Because remember, they're still gonna go in the oven for a bit. So interesting, right? Watching me saute onions.
fucking hell, idiot.
Those are called mushrooms. Okay, we definitely need more mushies, but we can do that in a minute. We're just gonna wilt down some spinach. One whole bag. Gosh guys, I'm moving like a chef right now. Okay, I may have put too much in the pan. Don't watch me use my hands, they're clean. Spinach wilted. I don't know how hot this is, wait. No, sweet. Do a little rough chop. That will be enough chili. Okay. Okay guys, next on the brunch agenda, blueberry muffins. We're gonna make the streusel topping first, for which I need 40 grams of flour, which is kind of hard on here. I'm gonna go for that's 40 grams. These scales are kind of impossible to read unless you got a unit of 5. I'm trying to film 2 things at a time, guys. It's pro content. Anyway, 100 grams of butter. Let's get a knife. Me and Isla are going on 2 holidays, yeah. So we're doing one in July. Then we're doing New York in September. Then I'm going to Dubai in October.
Oh god.
And then I'm thinking of doing something around my birthday, but I don't know what.
But because we're going to New York in September, can it not just be like, we could go a little bit later?
I'll do a staycation for my birthday.
Go to
I
our
fuck
house.
up a staycation.
Go to our house.
Yeah, let's do
Farmhouse.
farmhouse for my birthday then. It's like,
Wow. Who's listening to us right now? We're gonna go to Europe. It's me,
I don't know where I'm gonna go in Europe. Could you tell me what? So I need the butter melted. Melted? Are you sure? Did it say softened?
No, it says melted.
Oh no! Wait, Isla. Wait. What bit are you reading?
The ingredients.
Go to where it says the streusel bit. I definitely need to melt this.
25 grams solid butter.
Yeah, fuck. And this was, what was this gonna be? Salted as well in the muffin? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna save that for the muffins. We didn't need to do that. 25 grams.
1/2
teaspoon ground cinnamon, and then 25 grams light brown soft sugar. Okay, perfect. 25 grams. I'm gonna go with that's 25 grams. Why would I use my left hand? Right, half a teaspoon. Oops, I'm gonna go with, that is half a teaspoon. Hands are clean and washed. We're gonna crumble this together. Should I have taken my rings off for this? Potentially. So guys, how is everyone? What's everyone got going on in their lives? What should we talk about? Guys, what is going on in my life? Fuck knows. Oh guys, guess who downloaded Hinge? Honestly, quite hilarious. Honestly, quite hilarious. I hate shit like that. I hate talking to strangers, so I don't know why I downloaded it. I did it for the shits and gigs mainly, but also, listen, I want to start going on dates. I feel like it will help build up my, like, conversational skills. But I just hate people. I find people mad or annoying. Like, ugh, get away from me. So basically, what we're making here, I didn't even explain. This is the streusel topping. So this is going to go on top, like little breadcrumbs, on top of the blueberry muffins to give them that crunch. Yes, bro. Let's go. Put that to the side, wash our hands. But back to the Hinge thing. I've only matched with one person that I genuinely think is a sort, and his style was shit anyway, so it was giving cringe. What a bitch. Just dry it up. I don't like talking to people. Okay, 250. That's 150. That's 250. Okay, and then we need 1 teaspoon. And then we also need 1 teaspoon carbonate soda. Sorry, the lid's mad dirty. I don't want to get that on camera. 1 teaspoon. And then we also need 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Okay, that's the dry ingredients mixed. Let's move this stuff out the way. We're not having shit cluttering our space. Preheat the oven. Put the streusel in a flour. Put the flour into a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk the butter, maple sugar. I have an issue with eggs, so I'm just gonna. You guys know about the issue. Let me just get a bowl so I can crack them. 2 large eggs. Crack. Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Wash our hands again. 100 grams melted butter. 125 grams. Grams? How am I gonna do that, you silly pricks? A maple syrup. How the fuck do you measure maple syrup in grams? That's 50. This is gonna be so much, but 100. I'd say that's at 125. Into the KitchenAid, we are putting 125 grams maple syrup. We are putting 100 grams melted salted butter. We are putting 2 large eggs. We are putting 150 low-fat yolk. That looks so nice to eat. It looks so light and fluffy, but I honestly rather gag. We are doing 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Our dry ingredients. And we're just gonna mix until combined. Perfect. 150 blueberries. We're gonna gently fold those in. Literally looking amazing. Blueberry muffin mix complete. Okay, on to the next. We now need to start caramelizing our pears. Golly, I've given myself such a big job. Guys, are you enjoying this cook with me so far? Say yes. If you are, like the video, like, comment and subscribe. So cute, so fine, so fresh. We're now gonna make the granola base. So I'm just gonna go into this pan. Into this, I'm also gonna add a fair amount of coconut, desiccated coconut. Right, we're gonna add these almonds. add a little bit of muscovado sugar. That I'm pretty sure we just gotta wait for the seeds. Mum's almost back from the shop now. Seeds are gonna go in this. We need to start with our pears. We need to finish our pears. I'm just gonna move this to the side. We're just gonna put these pears in here. And we're gonna toss them in the sugar. A little sprinkling of cinnamon on them. I'm just going to top the muffins with our crumble mixture. I need to charge battery, guys. Okay, one sec. We're going to make our egg muffins now. Let's start with, what was it? It was the cow. I don't think I did enough egg mixture. Good stuff. Okay, you guys will see me again in a sec. I'm trying to not waste battery, so. Okay.
Do those, because that's burnt over there.
Basically, I burnt the granola a little bit, guys. I kind of just forgot it was in there. Okay, and we're just gonna top this with the almonds. Would have been nice if I had toasted them, but now I've put them on, so I can't. So, woo! Yogurt. Oh, I forgot to get melon. Fuck it, guys. Soz. Guys, the muffins have come out. Here's where Yvette didn't mix the eggs very well, but that's fine. They still look cute. Okay, we're gonna put them in this.
Yeah, those fall back in.
Christ almighty, Jefferson. Okay, guys, we've got our egg muffins, corn fritters, blueberry muffins, pears, figs, raspberries, and almonds, blueberries, yogurt, granola. Nice. Oh, and here's my little bouquet I made. Super cute.